Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad Go 2 and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on Wi-Fi. Now let's go to Private DNS and mark Specified DNS. Then let's tap on DNS address and enter this, so dns.adguard.com, and tap on save. After that, after applying this DNS address, your device will limit the advertisements. Another option is to scroll down in the settings and find Google. Then go to all services and tap on ads. And right here we've got something which is called advertising ID, and basically this feature personalizes your advertisement. So for example, if you are looking for a lamp or I don't know, a pair of jeans or a shirt or whatever, your device will show you the offers, the advertisements with the offers with that specific item, different variations, maybe different maybe something which is similar, but this is the whole idea of personalizing the advertisements, and that's what the advertising ID is doing. So it just collects the information of what you would like to possibly buy. So first of all, I highly recommend to tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then Delete Advertising ID, thanks to which you will limit the personalization of the advertisements. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.